Here we just mocked up the parts since we are not the one who dismantled this engine, and upon installing the parts, I noticed some damage that needs to be addressed. This is 12 millimeter. This is not yet tightened, just untightened by a socket. As you can see, wait, I'll remove this sensor first, this crank trigger sensor. As you can see, as you can see, there's a slack. This will make the ignition and fuel timing off. There should be no slack. The key for the crankshaft, there's a damage. We will try to repair this so that there is no play for this crank trigger. I don't know why this got damaged. Maybe the previous mechanic tried to stop the crankshaft using this crank trigger when loosening the nut. They should have used a special tools, and when they don't have a special tool, they should have fabricated a special tool specific for this engine application. You can see the slack on this gear to the crank keyway. So this is the damaged crank trigger. As you can see, this part of the metal is damaged. This part should also look like this side. The part of the metal here moved backwards. So we'll try to repair this using TIG weld by adding a new metal here and then grind the metal to match this line. What is important is that this crank trigger should not move when installed in the crankshaft. Since this part is not damaged, this will be a reference in repairing this crank trigger. So here we already tried to repair the damaged part of this crank trigger. We added metal to the area where the metal was damaged and then grinded off the excess. Actually, in our repair here, we have an excess metal than the stock one, but still we have a little play. I think this is normal, unlike when it was still damaged. As you can see, there's a slack.